Today we are diving down into the top 5 Unreal Engine 5 games that every artist should play to improve their 3D skills. These aren't just games, they're visual masterclasses. Each one teaches something different: atmosphere, realism, emotion, or myth. Whether you're sculpting worlds, experimenting with lighting, or designing creatures, these titles will challenge your eye and sharpen your craft. So let's jump in and explore how UE5 is shaping the future of artistry through play. Hell is Us. It's a dark psychological action adventure game. Hell is Us isn't just a game, it's an atmosphere. Surreal environments collide with grounded combat, pulling you into a world where every shadow whispers tension. For artists, this is a masterclass in atmospheric design, environmental storytelling, and the subtle art of shaping psychological tone through visuals. Coming in at number 4, Dead Island 2, a vibrant zombie apocalypse set in sunny Los Angeles where gore meets humor and exaggerated environments turn chaos into art. This game is a playground of stylized gore effects, environmental destruction, and colorful lighting contrast. Palm trees, neon lights, and blood-splattered streets, Dead Island 2 proves that even in the middle of chaos, beauty can shine through. This hyper-realistic first-person shooter is built to mimic real police body cam footage, and it's raw, unfiltered, and immersive. For artists, it's a masterclass in photorealism, camera simulation, and perspective design. Every shaky angle, every dimly lit hallway, every reflection in a puddle reminds us that realism isn't just about detail, it's about how the lens itself shapes the art. Sliding into number 2, Hellblade 2: Senua's Saga. A dark emotional journey through Norse myth and mental struggle, this game blurs the line between cinema and interactive storytelling. With stunning facial animation, cinematic lighting, and immersive sound, it's proof that games can rival film. For 3D artists, it's a study in metahuman facial rigs, lighting setups, and emotional storytelling through visuals. Every close-up, every flicker of firelight, every expression is a lesson in how art conveys emotion. And finally, at number 1, we have Black Myth: Wukong. This isn't just a game, it's an epic retelling of the legendary Monkey King myth, brought to life with Unreal Engine 5 in a way that feels both timeless and groundbreaking. From the moment you step into its world, you're surrounded by breathtaking landscapes that blend ancient Chinese architecture with fantastical, dreamlike environments. Mist rolls across mountain peaks, rivers shimmer under golden light, and every frame feels like a painting pulled straight from folklore. But it's not just the scenery that makes Black Myth: Wukong a visual masterpiece. The mythical creatures, towering beasts, agile demons, and surreal spirits are designed with a level of detail that challenges any 3D artist to rethink creature creation. Their textures, animations, and combat choreography are lessons in how to merge imagination with realism. Every battle feels like a dance of light and shadow, where particle effects, fluid motion, and cinematic camera work combine to create something unforgettable. For artists, this game is a showcase of skills: creature design that balances myth and believability, world building that feels both magical and grounded, and combat sequences that demonstrate how choreography can be elevated into visual storytelling. It's a reminder that artistry isn't just about technical skill, it's about emotion, myth, and the ability to transport players into worlds that feel alive. Black Myth: Wukong isn't just a game at the top of this list, it's proof of how myth and artistry collide to create timeless worlds. It's a visual feast, a masterclass in cinematic design, and a challenge to every 3D artist to dream bigger, to push harder, and to see every frame as a canvas waiting to be painted. And that wraps up our journey through 5 incredible Unreal Engine 5 titles. These games aren't just entertainment, they're classrooms for 3D artists teaching atmosphere, realism, emotion, and myth. Every frame is a lesson in the art of creation. So whether you're playing, pausing, or studying them, remember the future of digital artistry is already here, alive inside the worlds we explore. Thanks for watching and keep creating.